Okay, one of the last videos presented was showing the different functions that were available on the Pascal function generator. And one of the last things I mentioned was the modulation. You could modulate some of these waveforms, and it stops there and continues on later on in the lecture, because when I tried to modulate, I never could get it to work. So I cut that part of the video out. And the reason I couldn't get it to work, while reviewing the video, I saw that the whole time that I was trying to mess with it, I had it in standby. So I'm gonna redo that portion. So I'm gonna put this in standby. I don't know if you can see the little flag there, standby. I could even see it on the video when I reviewed it to see what was going on. And let me go to auto set. Basically, we have here, let's close this up. We have 10,000 hertz on the top, and on this bottom, I'm feeding a 1,000 hertz. I'm going to vary that, but a 1,000 hertz signal to modulate. But I have to put this into mod sine, and let's auto set 10 kilohertz. It's mod sine, and take this off let's position this. Oops. Let's position this. Oops, I'm doing the wrong one. Position it more in the center. And let's raise the scale a bit. And let's take it off of standby. And now you can see that the signal is being modulated. Let's change the frequency. 10 kilohertz. Let's do 100 hertz. You can see that it's being modulated. Let's see if we can get a good trigger. Actually, let's change the scale. And there, I think you'll see that it's having a hard time getting a trigger on it. But you can see there's the 300 hertz modulation. Let's oops, wrong one. Let's change. Trying to change the frequency. 320, 360, 390. There's 400. Let's go lower. Let's go. There's 150. So I've got 150 hertz superimposed on a 10 kilohertz signal. We can change this, and you can see that it there's let's make it a 5. Let's sync that thing. Anyway, so there's the modulation mode that I failed to show last time. If we turn this off, or let's just put it in standby, then it just shows it's just a straight 10, well, in this case, 5K signal. Okay,